Rona Grindling and Robert Lambie from Gauteng province. We're here tonight to celebrate our members' achievements. It's the first Gauteng Gala we held. It was a lot of success that's going in it. A lot of people that attended the gala can't always attend the gala when it's not in Gauteng, so that's why we've done it this year. It was well attended. We had 130 people attending our gala. We had a great time. We want to thank our great sponsors. I'm not going to name them now because I might forget one. The Sampo medals, we've got about 75% coming from Gauteng, and it was an honor tonight to hand out the medals for the Gauteng Best Birds. There's only a few that was not mentioned or going to be mentioned at the Sampo Gala, and we were very privileged to have everyone here tonight.
Good evening. We are here at the Gauteng Province Prize Giving for all the accolades for the pigeon racing and for all the best birds in South Africa and in the province and in the clubs and in the organizations. I was fortunate enough to win the best overall bird in Gauteng Province in South Africa in our club. I took the honors with great pride. I fly against very, very good pigeon fanciers over here. For example, Mr. Alwyn Bester, who's a very good pigeon fancier, who did very well in Pretoria. I fly against guys like Yanni de Beer in my own organization and club, who are absolute champions. And I'm just privileged that I can fly there and do so well with the pigeons. And my bird 485 is an absolute superstar. And hopefully that I can carry on in. As you know, probably in 2023, I also had the best bird in South Africa, which would have been the best bird in the province as well, best bird in the club and the organization. And I just wish everybody a fantastic year ahead, and let's hope that we can have a few more winners, have a few more accolades next year at this wonderful function that we had tonight here at the Gauteng province. Cheers, guys.
Hello, my name is Edwin Rademeyer, and I'm from RWDK in Rayton by Pretoria PWDU. I'm here today because I got an award for the second best junior in Gauteng. I started in Bronkhorstspruit at the age of 3 years old. My best birds are 2384, and she got 4th and 5th in a union 3 weeks in a row. It is very good to race as a young pigeon fancier in South Africa. The people that helps you always helps you to find new ways to race, and it's very exciting and a learnful experience for all juniors to enjoy the pigeon sport in South Africa. Thank you.
We had Gino Fabry here, all the way from PE. Great entertainment. Everyone really enjoyed him. He got the crowd going and the fanciers going. So pigeon fanciers can dance, they can enjoy it, and I think the spirit in Gauteng is very well.
Yes, I just would like to say thank you to all the organizers, especially Rhoda, okay, myself included, but all our people on the board and everything, all our sponsors. We really appreciate it from all of you. Let's make it bigger and better next year. I think this will open a lot of people's eyes in Gauteng. I do believe it's a first gala in a big province like this.